Today we will see how to save collection data into a table. First, I will create a table. The table name will be EMP. It will have a name, address, phone_number, and created_ on columns. Then, inside the application, I will create a button. The button name will be Save. After that, I will create a process. Begin. This is the start of APL SQL block. For our in. Here you write a select query inside the brackets. The loop will run once per collection row. First, I will copy my existing collection query. Then I will paste it inside the for our in block. After that, I will write an insert statement to insert data into the EMP table. In the values clause, I will use the column values from R. Then I will give a commit. After that, there is one more task to do. Once the collection data is successfully saved into the table, I will truncate the collection, meaning all data from the collection will be removed. Now I will click Save. Here, I will select the Save button. Finally, I will run Save. We can see that there is no data in the EMP table. So now I will add new data into the collection. The data has been added to the collection. Now I click the Save button again. We can see that the data has been cleared from the collection. Now I will check the data in the table. We can see that the data has been saved successfully. So, this was my complete tutorial series on collections. We can do many things using collections and solve many complex problems. If you face any issues, please let us know in the comments. Finally, this tutorial on collections is finished. Thank you for watching the video.